Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they bring us some light. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
And now, your feature presentation.
It's another fun
Yellow.
Friday.
Yo, you know it's be sizzle. Rain or fall, sometimes it drizzle. Yo, hungry. No miserable. Yo, we hungry in the streets. You know it's Friday and we wear my full black decked out. Cause you know it's another challenge, but it's not really a challenge, you know. What we're gonna do today is we are going to blindfold again. Yo, it looks like this blindfold thing is a regular thing in our show now. Yo, so here what we gonna do. We're gonna test. Yeah, yo, some man will say wipe on the taste. Yo, some man will say no to the blindfold. But we say the family that pray together and play together. Yo.
Okay, then welcome back to welcome back to Stuff from the Cuffs.
I went somewhere else a while ago, it looks like.
Listen, Brian just went straight into character a while ago. That's okay. You know, we're all about fire, giving you fun, giving you inspiration. We're real, and of course, we're educational as well. So welcome back to Stuff from the Cuffs. If you're new to the channel, welcome to all our new subscribers, all our returning residents, our tenants in the building.
Yeah, fam.
Thank you so very much for being a part of the Cufflinks family. And
Yeah,
of course,
fam.
if you're watching
Yeah,
and
fam.
you have not yet subscribed,
You gotta like.
go right ahead. Go
Yeah,
right ahead
gotta
and click
subscribe.
that subscribe button.
You gotta click
like
the
the
notification
video.
bell. Yeah, fam. Yeah, fam. We gotta do what we gotta do, fam.
Okay, then.
You gotta do it. You gotta click, you gotta like, you gotta subscribe, fam. Yeah, we just gotta do what we gotta do, fam. Yeah.
Okay, then.
Yeah.
All right. Leave us a comment, of course. You know, we love to bring you entertainment, and today is no different. So the blindfold is back. Yes, so today we are doing a taste test. So,
Disclaimer. There is nothing that I will give my wife that will intentionally harm her, hurt her, or cause her any harm or distress.
no.
It's just about the fun.
Babe, what could you? All right.
What? I
Me
picked something
choose
tough,
5.
something cold, something hot, something soft, something sweet. You know, just mix it up a little.
Okay, so what we have done is we have chosen 5 things out of the kitchen. So I've chosen
I
5.
never choose 5 things out of the kitchen. I choose the house.
Run.
The house. So what could have be for eat and in the kitchen?
It's only kitchen alone you can eat stuff.
After me not put nothing else anywhere else for eat.
Don't worry yourself, man.
Lord of mercy. So let me tell you what I did. I chose 5 things out of the kitchen. The kitchen, because there's those things where we eat for there, right? I chose 5 things out of the kitchen, and we are going to blindfold
Bella bag over
each
there, so food
other.
night.
We are going to blindfold each other and also cover the nostrils so that we can't smell what it is that we're tasting, because you know the sense of smell and taste works together.
You have
Yes.
3 chances to figure out what it is, guys. 3.
All right, so I have 5 things, he has 5 things, and Brian is going to go first.
Really? I knew this was coming.
All right?
No, let's do rock, paper, scissors.
Okay.
So, I mean, you know, you shoot. The rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You know anything? Come on. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. She's the best. No, let's do it again. No, let's do it again. I need to go. You know what we never do. Let's go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Paper, scissors, shoot.
No, you can't change. You can't change. You can't change.
Sorry, ready. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. So you want to go first.
Let me move my little goodie bag out of the way. Oh Lord, pray for me, my brethren and friends.
Come and make sure that it cover your nose as well.
No, me just cut my nose. No, I can't breathe. Me just cut my nose.
So breathe through your mouth.
No, man, me
No,
cut my
babe.
nose. No, this is not gonna stop me from smelling.
Alright. Tight banner. Yeah. Alright, so this is, put your hand to your next side. Where's the nose plugs?
In the car.
That's okay, alright. This is number 1.
Oh, my Lord.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
Guys, you're supposed to trust your spouse unconditionally. But, whew. Hold on, guys. Hold on.
Go. Ready. This number 1. I know, babe.
Taste it, was should be well in our mouth.
Open your mouth.
How this?
Don't open your nose.
This is in the house.
Yes.
my God!
So you did look in our last challenge.
Why not come again?
I know, babe.
Come on, man. Cough syrup?
No.
It was at
Why
this
would I give
moment
you
that he
cough?
knew.
Hold on. Are we having a ear back? Why would I give you cough syrup?
Because it's
Babe.
a full game.
Babe, no, babe. Wait take out for me.
What is
It's food you're supposed to take out.
It's a taste test. You don't tell me what to put in
Jesus,
there.
yeah. Okay.
What is?
You have two chances, Lee. Guys, let me tell you.
Vanilla.
No.
Food coloring.
Babe, we have their bag.
Food coloring.
Why would I get food coloring?
What is it?
Maple syrup.
It tastes nothing like it. When you on the pancake. Wow. Okay.
Alright?
Tastes like it now that me know.
No, that you know, right? Guys, let me tell you
Wow.
something. Have you ever been sick? Like, your nose block up and you go say KFC and
Doesn't taste the same.
you eat the chicken and you come like you can't taste it because you can't smell it?
Wow.
Alright, ready?
This is interesting, guys. You should try this.
Yeah. Next thing. Along out your tongue. See that you know I'm putting in your mouth. You must get this.
Milo?
No.
Guys, you see, because the maple syrup they pop out now,
You want some water? You want some water?
babe, I baby formula I put in something.
Baby what?
I formula,
Not no formula.
I milk powder.
It's not milk powder.
Oh, what? 3 chance that.
It's a Nestum.
They no baby formula.
It's
the
not
baby
formula,
something, me
it's
say.
cereal.
They know that me say, that me mean, then me say.
You get it wrong. The formula is like
Guys,
Climar.
I said, watch back it tape. They said baby formula.
But it's not formula, it's a
Then me
cereal.
said the milk powder.
Yes, it's not milk powder.
Clean is milk powder.
But that's not it. It's a cereal, it's a Nestum.
Then the formula that.
It's
I call the formula for the formula
Yeah.
and the milk powder for the milk. Me know say I one of them.
it's not the formula.
Nestum is a formula. That
No,
is the
Nestum is
put
the
in something with the
cereal.
milk.
Nestum is
No, it you
the
put with the milk.
but that's a
And that
cereal.
me mean when me say formula. It's alright. Teeth me out. Let's go. Teeth me out. You know
Guys,
exactly what me talking
formula
about.
no.
Babe, there's no other formula in the house.
But stamp
It's
formula.
alright. Same thing something I talk about. Ready? You can't teach me or not. You know say I want one that. Come.
1-1, babe.
Yeah, one right, one
0,
wrong.
no.
Alright, don't worry yourself. Cause I know say I have some milk powder or something.
Okay, but you never get it right.
It's the same thing.
It's not the same thing. Alright, give me a tongue. Alright, guys, so have the water.
ask if it's
I'm coming.
No need so much, man. What is? Onion water, garlic water, I mean. You make
Why
some
would I
garlic
give
water.
you garlic water?
It no matter what you want, give me a taste test. You want give me it for the taste.
No, I
test.
wouldn't.
Am I wrong or am I right?
You're wrong.
I know liquid fruit.
No, wrong.
I don't know.
Prego sauce.
What? It's not just nothing like sauce.
Alright, go drink some more water. So 0 out of 3.
Guys, I'm going one. The formula.
It's
It's
not
one.
formula, it's cereal.
It's alright. You know what me I talk about.
No, me no know.
Be with formula in the house. Alright,
Well,
let's
that's
go.
why you
It's
should have known
alright.
say it's not formula.
alright.
Alright, ready again. You must get this, babe.
Guys, this hard enough. No, sir. He said, I must get it. I'm going to have a clue about that.
Oh my god, is that hard?
Come on, again. You wait.
Babe, I hope a food you give me, you know, 'cause if you give me no...
Mayonnaise.
Yes.
You man put that one there on my back.
Back of your throat. Alright.
To that.
1 out of 4.
To that.
Babe, 1 out of 4.
Oh.
I want to make it. I want him to shout him out. In tongue in a cup. Oh, so this is the last one. Tongue?
Oh, that's sweet, yo. Oh, this. It'll come to me, you know. No, come again. No, I'm not sure. I know what it is, you know. Come again.
Make sure your nose like, you know.
I can't smell nothing.
Come. Tongue.
If me could have smell anything, would have the one?
Tongue.
Two?
Tongue.
A black pepper?
No, why would I give you... You know, I'm worried. Guys, I'm so...
Cinnamon.
Yes.
Cinnamon dust.
I am so...
Done?
Yeah.
3 out of 5.
2 out of 5.
3 out of 5.
Guys, I'm so worried about what Brian is going to give me because
Ooh.
he is
Do not open your eyes too quickly. You take off this. Come tie up yourself.
he is calling some weird names that I am beginning to worry about what he has in his container. So I gave him maple syrup, he got it wrong. Baby cereal, he got it wrong. Prego sauce, he got it wrong, but he got mayonnaise and cinnamon right.
Let me get my formula
You
right.
did not.
Let me video this. Let me get the formula right. Come type blindfold yourself. Blindfold yourself. Come.
Babe, I'm worried.
What's that? Babe, what are you worried about? What? What? Yeah, not never gonna emote. Your mother come.
Give me a little bit more. No. Vinegar?
Huh?
Vinegar?
I can't hear you.
Vinegar?
Yes. Don't say you just follow that digest now. Alright, ready again?
Wait, what? Babe, I stop put too much in my mouth.
I didn't.
Why would you keep me?
Baby, it's a taste test. All of these things are stuff that you that I don't take up nothing I don't go anymore. Come, bite that one here. It's tough. Open it, put it in your tongue. Bite something now.
Hold on.
That was a bit funny place. It was a bit funny place. 2 for 2. Look at you. Yeah, go with this. Easy, easy. Nice. Don't worry, man. You got this. Nice.
When you touch me lip it up, burn me. Me know say
Oh,
onion.
God.
Cause we don't have no pepper.
Oh, baby, you're gone. Bad man. 2 for 2. You're the real champion. MVP. Team Basilia. Alright, come.
What I must
You
do?
can't see me, so you're back up.
Because you're beside me.
Come on.
What I must do?
Tongue,
Bite?
tongue.
Toothpaste? Stop you, man.
Don't you get that on your aunties? Don't you get that on your aunties?
Guys. Gee, is your brain wicked? And is your brain wicked? And I really see your brain wicked. I'm gonna tend to brain. Guys, you were supposed to choose food items. You can imagine say, well, the toothpaste get rid of the onion taste still, but no, I won't be able to get this toothpaste taste out of my mouth.
Alright, guys, so here we go again. Let's go again.
I'm gonna taste nothing.
Alright, chew. Bite. Bite, no? Bite.
Babe, cotton?
All I want to know is 4 for 4. I'll wash it. Guys,
Babe, cotton?
But still don't eat cotton. Oh, she knows that cotton. The
Because-
only one I never expect her to know. I don't know cotton taste. No taste. Oh, sir. Final thing, guys.
Cotton, babe, cotton. Cotton can't eat.
Final thing. I didn't
Enough
tell you it's an
time-
eating test. It's a taste test.
Enough time I got a dentist and they put cotton in my mouth.
So yeah, swallow it. Taste it. Final thing.
I'm afraid. Babe, don't give me no cold medicine.
Come, man. Tongue. Come again if you want.
A Bella fruit pack you squeeze out, give me, babe? Eh? Bella guava fruit pack?
5 for 5, guys. We have a winner. This is incredible. So we know
You
now.
are
Get it
horrible.
off your blindfold. So I realized that Bella's snacks are dwindling real fast. Now I know. It's not Bria. Bassa eat it out. When Bella not eating it, it's Bass. Cutting them, when they go missing, is Bass. The vinegar was supposed to wash off the chicken and season up the other meat then, is Bass. And the toothpaste, she not just brush her teeth and make sure it become a part of her system. Winner of your taste test 2020, Team Bass. I'm glad we know win that one here, guys. 3 out of 5 versus 5 out of 5.
Which why you say get your is 2 you get,
It's
babe.
alright. But thank you for
one.
joining us, guys. Try this one at home with your family, with your friends. It reminds me of how the body works, like ears, nose, mouth, how everything is connected, because it's really hard. You know, you look upon something and you don't know how. When you taste them without smelling or without being able to see what it is, it's a whole other ball game. But big up on yourself.
Why would you give me onion?
Big up on yourself. Listen, you know what research? We research to them figure out the 5 things for give her. Like, subscribe. Say Team B Sizzle. I mean, if you know
Why
what
would you
Team
say
Bass, that's
Team
why.
B Sizzle?
That's why.
Team Bass in the building, 5 out of 5.
You proud of that?
You know how we do.
What you just do? Why you straight yourself? Guys, like, subscribe, share, tell a friend. Stuff from the cuffs. Bringing you fun, inspiration, keeping it real, and some education. Big up on yourself.
Thank you,
Enjoy your
guys.
weekend. Enjoy it. Enjoy.
Later.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light.